1. The largest gland in the human body is A. Pancreas, B. Thyroid, C. Liver, D. Spleen. Answer: C. Liver. 2. The functional unit of the kidney is A. Nephron, B. Neuron, C. Alveoli, D. Glomerulus. Answer: A. Nephron. 3. The normal range of hemoglobin in adult females is A. 14-16 GDL, B. 12-16 GDL, C. 10-14 GDL, D. 8-10 GDL. Answer: B. 12-16 GDL. 4. The basic structural and functional unit of life is A. Tissue, B. Organ, C. Cell, D. System. Answer: C. 5. The main function of platelets is A. Oxygen transport, B. Immunity, C. Blood clotting, D. Nutrient transport. Answer: C. Blood clotting. 6. The pacemaker of the heart is A. AV node, B. SA node, C. Bundle of His, D. Purkinje fibers. Answer: B. SA node. 7. Which condition is known as a silent killer? A. Hypertension, B. Hypertension, C. Asthma, D. Anemia. Answer: hypertension. 8. Common symptom of myocardial infarction is A. Sharp leg pain, B. Severe chest pain, C. Abdominal pain, D. Headache. Answer: severe chest pain. No. Which electrolyte imbalance causes muscle weakness and arrhythmia? A. Hyperkalemia, B. Hypokalemia, C. Hypercalcemia, D. Hyponatremia. Answer: hypokalemia. 10. A patient with tuberculosis should be isolated for A. 48 hours, B. 2 weeks, C. Until 3 negative sputum tests, D. After completion of treatment. Answer: until 3 negative sputum tests. 11. Common sign of appendicitis. A. Left lower quadrant pain, B. Right lower quadrant pain, C. Generalized pain, D. Left upper quadrant pain. Answer: right lower quadrant pain. 12. The term herd immunity is related to A. Nutrition, B. Vaccination, C. Sanitation, D. Water supply. Answer: vaccination. 13. The normal BMI range is A. 15-18, B. 18.5-24.9, C. 25-29, D. 30-35. Answer: 18.5-24.9. 14. The red color bag in biomedical waste is used for A. Sharp waste, B. Plastic waste, C. Human anatomical waste, D. Glass waste. Answer: plastic waste. 15. A vector-borne disease is A. Diabetes, B. Tuberculosis, C. Malaria, D. Pneumonia. Answer: malaria. 16. ORS is mainly used to treat A. Constipation, B. Vomiting, C. Diarrhea, D. Dehydration. Answer: dehydration. 17. A false belief not based on reality is called A. Illusion, B. Delusion, C. Hallucination, D. Phobia. Answer: delusion. 18. Schizophrenia is a type of A. Mood disorder, B. Neurotic disorder, C. Psychotic disorder, D. Personality disorder. Answer. Psychotic disorder. 19. The best therapy for phobias is A. Group therapy. B. Exposure therapy. C. Psychodynamic therapy. D. Music therapy. Answer. Exposure therapy. 20. Electroconvulsive therapy is mostly used in A. Anxiety. B. Mania. C. Depression. D. Phobia. Answer. Depression. 21. The first antipsychotic drug introduced was A. Lithium. B. Chlorpromazine. C. Diazepam. D. Haloperidol. Answer. Chlorpromazine. 22. Normal duration of pregnancy is A. 36 weeks. B. 38 weeks. C. 40 weeks. D. 42 weeks. Answer. C. 40 weeks. 23. The first sign of pregnancy is A. Breast enlargement. B. Nausea. C. Amenorrhea. D. Quickening. Answer. C. Amenorrhea. 24. Preeclampsia is characterized by A. Low BP, proteinuria. B. High BP, proteinuria. C. Low BP, edema. D. High BP, dehydration. Answer. B. High BP, proteinuria. 25. Lochia serosa is A. Reddish discharge. B. Yellowish discharge. C. Whitish discharge. D. Brownish discharge. Answer. B. Yellowish discharge. 26. Normal fetal heart rate is A. 60-100 bpm. B. 80-120 bpm. C. 110-160 bpm. D. 140-180 bpm. Answer. C. 110-160 bpm. 27. Fontanelle closes by A. 2 months. B. 6 months. C. 12 months. D. 18 months. Answer. D. 18 months. 28. First vaccine given at birth is A. OPV. B. BCG. C. DPT. D. Hepatitis A. Answer. B. BCG. 29. Kwashiorkor is due to deficiency of A. Protein. B. Calories. C. Vitamins. D. Iron. Answer. A. Protein. 30. The first teeth to erupt are A. Molars. B. Incisors. C. Canines. D. Premolars. Answer. B. Incisors. 31. Head control is achieved by A. 2 months. B. 4 months. C. 6 months. Answer. B. 4 months. 32. The first step of the research process is A. Data collection. B. Identifying problem. C. Hypothesis formation. D. Literature review. Answer. B. Identifying problem. 33. The type of data expressed in numbers is A. Qualitative. B. Quantitative. C. Descriptive. D. Subjective. Answer. B. Quantitative. 34. A small group selected for study is called A. Population. B. Universe. C. Sample. D. Variable. Answer. C. Sample. 35. The tool used for statistical calculations is A. Thermometer. B. SPSS. C. Otoscope. D. Caliper. Answer. B. SPSS. 36. Mean, median and mode are A. Variables. B. Measures of central tendency. C. Research designs. D. Sampling techniques. Answer. B. Measures of central tendency. 37. Hand washing duration is A. 5 seconds. B. 10 seconds. C. 20 seconds. D. 40 seconds. Answer. C. 20 seconds. 38. The first nursing theorist was A. Peplow. B. Orem. C. Florence Nightingale. D. Roy. Answer. C. Florence Nightingale. 39. Normal pulse rate for adults is A. 50-60 bpm. B. 60-100 bpm. C. 90-120 bpm. D. 100-140 bpm. Answer. B. 60-100 bpm. 40. The angle for intramuscular injection is A. 15 degree. B. 30 degree. C. 45 degree. D. 90 degree. Answer D. 90 degree. 41. Bed sore is also called A. Bedsheet rash. B. Pressure ulcer. C. Skin infection. D. Heat rash. Answer. B. Pressure ulcer. 42. The antidote for heparin is A. Protamine sulfate. B. Vitamin K. C. Naloxone. D. Atropine. Answer. A. Protamine sulfate. 43. The fastest route of drug administration is A. Oral. B. Intramuscular. C. Intravenous. D. Subcutaneous. Answer. C. Intravenous. 44. Paracetamol is an example of A. Antibiotic. B. Analgesic. C. Antiviral. D. Sedative. Answer. B. Analgesic. 45. Digoxin is used to treat A. Hypertension. B. Heart failure. C. Asthma. D. Tuberculosis. Answer. B. Heart failure. 46. The therapeutic level of theophylline is A. 0.5 mcg ml. B. 5-15 mcg ml. C. 20-30 mcg ml. D. 50-60 mcg ml. Answer. B. 5-15 mcg ml. 47. The richest source of vitamin C is A. Apple. B. Orange. C. Banana. D. Milk. Answer. B. Orange. 48. Pellagra is caused due to deficiency of A. Niacin. B. Thiamine. C. Riboflavin. D. Ascorbic acid. Answer. A. Niacin. 49. Protein requirement for adults per kg is A. 0.5 g. B. 1 g. C. 1.5 g. D. 2 g. Answer. B. 1 g. 50. Which mineral is essential for hemoglobin formation? A. Calcium. B. Iron. C. Zinc. D. Magnesium. Answer. B. Iron.